Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence where we deal in lines Nifty, Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So, in line with my previous video analysis wherein I have mentioned that market participants are expecting some sort of pause at a high level, but there is a good sort of a support near the lower level. So there is a resistance by way of call writing that has been happening on a high side. Apart from that, the market will not go down, or it is not going down mainly for the reason of continuous put writing that we are observing. So it pays to learn the analysis of option chart data, because it not only helps you to determine whether the market will move up or down drastically, but it also helps you to make a trade and guess of a range that can also help you to take a decisive trading idea. So in this video we are going to analyze what are the option activity range, what the technical indicators are suggesting, and what are the crucial strike prices that has seen the maximum action in this particular day. So we'll analyze and we'll start our analysis with the option activity range for the Nifty. 10,700 to 9,600 is the broad option activity range for the market. So clearly there is a resistance on a high side. You can also see here that the market has not been able to break on a high side, and if you just analyze in the past, you can see that this particular area has been a trouble point for the market whenever the market tries to go on a high side and at that particular level of time. So if you analyze the call data, mostly you will see that the market participants have created a position in terms of covering their position. So what I can see is call short has been covered, and some sort of call writing has happened around 10,550 kind of level. So all in all, there is a bullish and bearish formation. Both the position have been created, but most of the position that has been created suggests a sort of a bullish move by way of a call short covering. So that is what as of now the expectation of the call participants. Now if you analyze the put data, you can clearly see that there has been a strong put writing is going on, particularly on the lower strike prices. So if you see 9,800 to 9,950 kind of level, we can see a good amount of put writing that has happened today. Apart from the 10,000 to 10,300 level has seen a good sort of put long covering. So those market participants who has been holding on to the puts have covered their position. And the one of the most interesting thing that has happened today is a 10,200 strike price, which has seen the maximum covering. As we can see, almost 11 lakh shares has been reduced, or the position has been vacant. So a put long covering has happened at this particular strike price. Apart from that, as you go on high side, you can only see the put writing and put long covering, suggesting a stable to bullish kind of position. So as of now, the call chart and the put chart data suggests that the market participants are expecting a break on a high side. But what I feel is this particular level, especially 10,600, is very crucial for the market to cross on, because there is a good resistance on a high side. And we have also seen that during the start of the month we have seen a good sort of call writing that has happened on this particular side, and it is yet there. So we'll need to wait and watch out for the market to break on a high side. 10,630 or 10,628 is maximum at where the market should go as per my understanding. And we have also holding on to our puts of 10,000 puts that we have purchased. If the market goes on to high side around 10,600, as I have suggested, will be adding one lot as well. Now if you analyze the CCI and all other technical indicators, you will see that the CCI still manages to trade in the zone of 100. So that is bullish as of now. MACD though has created a bearish crossover, but has not going down as of now. The longer term MACD is naturally suggesting a bullish move, and the RSI is continuously going down in this value. So earlier it was 66, then it was 64, and now it is 63.87. So RSI is definitely losing on to the momentum. So as I have suggested in my previous video, the higher the market stays in this particular range, the more the chance will be that the market will go down from this particular level. So 10,300 kind of level we could see if the market hold on to this particular level. And on a high side, I see the capped upside near 10,630. So that was my analysis for Nifty. Now let us quickly see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So if you have seen my previous video, I have mentioned that the Bank Nifty is more bearish than the Nifty, and you can also see that the Bank Nifty has lost more points than the Nifty. So let me just show you the data. Here you can see a bearish crossover already in place. The crucial thing that has happened today is that bank nifty has broken below its 144 days exponential moving average. However, there has been some sort of tail which did suggest that there has been some sort of buying, especially this kind of tail whenever it happens near the crucial uh, moving average like 144 days exponential moving average did suggest that the market could have closed lower, but there has been some sort of buying that has been happening near the lower strike prices, which has helped the close to shift on a high side rather than closing on a lower side. So market could have closed at this particular level, but there was some sort of buying that has happened. That's the only reason market has managed to close near 144 days exponential moving average. But also let me mention that though the market has seen some kind of buying near the lower level, but it has broken below its 144 days exponential moving average. So if market stays in this particular range, we can definitely expect the market to go down further till, if you see, I have already mentioned the 24,800 kind of level in my previous video. And now if it breaks this particular level, you can definitely expect the next logical target could be 24,100. uh, if you analyze the option activity range, 24,000 to 25,500 is the broad option activity range for the Nifty. Analysis of call chart data suggests that the market participants are definitely expecting some sort of hold on a high side, as continuous call writing has been happening on a high side. Further, if you see the put data, that is again bullish position put writing has been happening on a lower side, but we have seen one strange thing that 24,900 has continuously been getting registering bearish position formation. So today also almost 1 lakh 5,000 shares has been added in this particular strike price, and 25,500 put option has also seen creation of fresh bearish position. If you analyze all other technical indicators, you will see that the RSI is already trading below 100 zone and trading near its exponential average. So break below exponential average can take bank nifty definitely down. MACD has already generated a bearish crossover and tilting towards the exponential average and in the negative zone. So you should remember that if that happens, you can definitely see a accelerated down move and target towards 24,100 could be quickly seen. RSI is already trading on a high side with multiple resistance and a lower high formation sort of pattern is there. So it is also trading near its exponential average, and break below the exponential average could make things serious. So that's it for the today's video analysis, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family. And if you want to learn how I have been generating the buy and sell signal, you may like to check out the video description of this particular video, wherein you will find the detailed playlist that I have made for you, and all the videos are absolutely free. Thank you, guys.